(2018) 68 plate Ford Ranger WILDTRAK 3.2. We have thoughts of superb aftermarket 20-inch alloy wheels with all-terrain tyres. We also have daylight running side lights, as well as Raptor style front grille, which really does make this car stand out. There's look, another alloy wheel. We also have wide arch kit, as well as a front bash bar. We also have side steps on either side, roof racks, roof bars. We also have grey wing mirrors, so there's privacy glass and black window trim. We also have different colour door handles. There's a look, side step, another alloy wheel. We also have a nice spacious sized bed. Pull this down, as you can see. We also have hooks on either side to be able to tie down your load. We also have parking sensors with rear reversing camera. This vehicle is free from any major marks and dents. It really does look superb from every angle. Let's look at another alloy wheel and another side step. Going to the rear of the car, we have half leather, half fabric rear seats with ISO fixed points. Pull this down, they have soft touch leather armrest with two nice sized cup holders. We also have 12-volt connectivity down here, as well as storage behind the driver and passenger seat. With electric window switches, we also have leather trim on the doors as well. Going to the front of the car, there's the driver's half leather, half fabric seat with WILDTRAK stitched in just there as well. We have electric windows. We also have carbon fibre look trim on the door as well. Jumping in the car, we have auto lights. We also have electric power folding mirrors. Turning the car on, as you can see, it's free from any warning lights on the dash and has done just over 34,600 miles. We also have a multifunction steering wheel with cruise control and speed limiter. Going to the centre, we have satellite navigation, as well as audio, which is DAB radio. If we go into sources, we can choose from Bluetooth audio, CD, DAB, FM and AM. If we go to climate, we can choose the temperature of either side. There's jaws and climate control. You can also turn the heated seats on from here as well. We have phone connectivity. You can download some mobile apps. If we go scroll to your right, we have Apple CarPlay as well as Android Auto. We have different ambient lightings as well. We have a range to choose from ice blue, orange, soft blue, red, green, blue and purple. If we go back into there, we have control jaws and climate control from down here as well. It's displayed just on the screen just there as well. And again, the heated front seats, which work just as you would expect it to. We have two 12-volt connectivities with storage down here as well. There's two USB ports. You can turn traction control on and off, and you can also have hill descent assist as well. Down here we have 2-wheel drive high, 4-wheel drive high and 4-wheel drive low for whatever terrain you're going over. Two nice size cup holders, a soft touch leather armrest with storage in there as well. There's a look at the passenger's half leather, half fabric seat with the WILDTRAK stitched in just there as well. This vehicle is available to take away today with free contactless nationwide next day delivery. It's HPI clear, comes with a fresh service, and we do offer competitive low finance. Thank you very much for watching.
Video test drive for a 2018 Ford Ranger WILDTRAK. Now the purpose of this test drive, of course, is to show you this vehicle drive exactly as you expect it to. For example, does it drive straight through? Well, as you can see, I'm fighting with the steering wheel at this moment in time to keep it going in a straight line. Now you do have your cruise control and your speed limiter. Simply press the cruise control button, click set, and it will set for you. Simply push the button either up or down and it'll adjust the speed limit. So we're currently going to 60, and as you can see, my leg's not on the accelerator, I'm still picking up speed. Press the cruise control button again and it will deactivate. You do actually have manual mode as well. Push the lever over to the right hand side and you can actually shift up or down through the gears too. Now you do have your sat nav, DAB. You've also got heated front seats as well as your dual zone climate controls. So you pair it all together. You can easily do those long distance drives. With it having ISO fixed points, you can use it for business and you can use it for everyday running around too. Now around about, what we will do is we'll turn left if you're actually here driving this vehicle today. We've got very good visual over the road. You sit nice and high, very comfortable too. You can see the bumps in the road, you're going over them, and you don't really feel much in the seats at all. Now here at RS Car Sales, we have been doing deliveries for the past 3-4 years. Free next day nationwide delivery for just over a year and a half. So even though the COVID-19 situation has caused many issues for many companies, and still is, we feel like we're quite well prepared, as it's nothing new to us. So what we've done is adjusted it slightly now. It's now contactless delivery. We'll sanitise the keys, we'll sanitise our hands before we get in the vehicle. We'll also do an extra thorough prep clean of the vehicle before it goes out for delivery, and that just helps ensure your safety and our safety. Now, we are a 5-star dealership as well, so if you go online, check out the reviews, you'll see we have over 250 5-star reviews on Google and Auto Trader, many more on other websites too, like Car Gurus. So feel free, go online, check out some of these reviews. You'll be able to see that people reiterate the fact that we are a dealership that cares, and we honestly want you to have such a good experience buying from us, you'd happily want to come back again in the future, or even recommend this to your friends and your family. Now, we are on Facebook and Instagram, so feel free to follow us on those social platforms. And as I'm sure you've heard throughout the journey on this vehicle, it is free from any knocks and any bans, which is an important aspect you would be listening out for. Now, we are just approaching the industrial park, so what I'll do is I'll turn right, I'll perform an emergency stop, and that way I'll be able to show you that the car stops exactly as you'd expect it to. And I'll also be able to show you the reversing camera as well. As you can see, it's a big vehicle, brakes are absolutely fantastic. Reversing camera with your reversing sensors, so it does help park as well. Now, this is usually where you're incredibly happy with the vehicle, you'd want to go to the office to see what deal you can get for it. Of course, you're not here at this moment in time, but feel free to still get in touch. Part exchanges are still welcome too. Just let us know which vehicle you wish to part exchange yours against, and if there's any existing damage on your vehicle. Now, if anything hasn't been answered in the test drive video, the walk around video, or the pictures, just let us know and we can either do a FaceTime video of this vehicle for you. But other than that, thank you very much for watching.